Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We continue in the next part, means that the line integral part 2. In the previous, we using the s as the variable, the line curve for making the integral. In here, we would like to making the integral using dx and dy. So in the previous example or in the previous part, so the line integral that we use is determined by the length of the curve. Okay, in this part, we using the line integral with the x and y. So as we mentioned before, we using also the parametric equation x equal xt and also y equal yt and t from a to b. So how we can find the integral of x should be this one, fx comma y times dx should be equal, so as we mentioned before, dx, this is should be equal x accent t times dt, because this one x accent, what the meaning, dx over dt times dt should be related, then should be dx. So this is x transformed to the xt, y transformed to the yt, and also dx become x accent times dt, the first derivative times dt. Same also in the y, x also become xt, y become yt, and also dy become y accent t. Okay, y accent. So this is the part of this integral, the part of this integral. Okay, the y accent dt. Okay, so this is the y accent dt. Because same, because y accent, what the meaning, this is dy over dt times dt, so this is related, then will be equal to dy. In the next one, this is this example. In the previous one, we using ds, means that the component is combination, means that the curve, but in here is component is combination of dx and dy. So this is the result of the p dx times q dy should be equal pxy dx plus this one, qxy times dy. Okay, so this is the equation, how we can define the integral by dx and dy. For example, the first example, we would like to find the integral, sin py times dy plus yx squared times dx. When the c is line, when the c is the line from 0.2 to 1.4. So since this is the line, so please remember about this one. RT should be equal this one, 1 minus t times 0,2 plus t times this 1,4. Okay, so we can define this result should be 0,2 minus 2. Okay, 0,2 minus 2 plus this one, t, 4. Okay, so since we have this one, so we can get this result should be equal 0 plus t should be t, and also 2 minus 2t plus 4t should be 2 plus. Okay, so this is the component x and this is component y. So we can define x equal t and y equal 2 plus 2. So we can get this result. Okay, as we mentioned before, so sin py, so y should be changed by this one, and also x, y here also change become here, x square will be changed become here, dy, this is should be y accent times dt, and dx should be changed become this one, x accent times dt. So this one, dx over dt should be equal, dx over dt should be equal 1, and here dy over dt should be equal, so we can define here sin py, sin py should be equal this one. Okay, we can interact in here, sin py, sin p times this one, 2 plus 2t, because y should be equal this one. 2 plus 2t. And dy should be equal y accent times dt. As we mentioned before, y accent should be equal to, so we will get this one, 2 dt. Next one, 2 plus 2t, this is y, 2 plus 2t times x should be equal t, then t square. And dx, x accent dt should be equal, as we mentioned before, dx over dt equal 1, so this is 1 times dt. So we can get this result, 2 plus t square and also plus 2t times this one, 2t power 3. So we will get this one, 2t square plus 2t power 3. So if we making the integral, 2t over 3, this one should be equal to 2 over 3t power 3, and also plus 2 over 4t power 4. Or we will get this result, 2 over 3t power 3, a half, 2 over 4 is a half times t power 4, from 0 to the 1. How about this one? How about this one? If you would like to find this integral, so this integral should be equal sin 2p plus 2p t times d. 2 in here, we going out here. So what the integral of sin 2p, as we mentioned, if we have this one, integral of sin 2x plus 5 times dx, what the integral? The integral should be this one. The integral should be equal 1 over this one, the derivative of 2x, 2x plus 5, the derivative is 2, times the integral of sin minus cos 2x. Okay, so what the meaning? This integral should be equal 2 times, okay, 1 over the derivative 2p plus 2pt should be 2 times minus cos 2p plus 2. So we will get, this is deleted, then minus going to this one, so we will get this one, minus 1 over p times cos 2p plus 2p, from 0 to 1. Then we will get the result. If you input all the boundary in here, then the result is 7 over 6. In the next is the example for the 3D space. In the 3D space, as we mentioned before in here, x times dy plus y times dx plus z times dz. But in here, we already defined rt equal cos ti sin tj and also t square k. So what the meaning? So x equal cos t, y equal sin t, k, and z equal t square. X, y, and z. So dx over dt should be minus sin t, and dy over dt should be equal cos t, and dz over dt should be equal to, and t from 0 to. So from here, then we will get this result. We change y becomes sin t. As we mentioned, dx here, x accent dt. So x accent should be here, minus sin t. So we'll get this one, sin t times minus sin t dt, plus this one, x equal cos t, and dy should be here, cos t. Cos t times cos t dt, plus z. Z here should be t square times the z in here should be equal 2t. So 2t times t. So we'll get the result, minus sin square t dt plus cos square t dt plus 2 times t power 3 dt. So this integral from the easiest one, 2 over 4 t power 4, or equal a half t power 4. So we get this result, a half t power. Okay, how we can make this integral? This is, we use the even rule. Yeah, even rule. That means you have to remove all the power in the sin and cos. How to remove? So sin square t should be equal 1 minus cos 2t over cos 2t over t. And also cos square, you have to change become 1 plus cos 2t over. So we change this one, sin square, I change become here, 1 over cos t over 2. This is minus, minus, and over 2 in here become. And also here, cos square t become 1 plus cos t over 2. Okay, so the integral of 1 should be t, integral of cos 2t should be minus a half, of sin 2t. This should be same. Integral of 1 should be t, integral cos 2t, a half sin 2t. So we can get this result, yeah. So this is minus a half t plus a half t. So this should be deleted, and here plus 1 over 4 sin t, yeah, and here should be plus 1 over 4 sin t. So a half sin 2t. A half sin 2t plus a half t power square. Then the result should be 8p over 8 times p power. So this is the result. Okay, so we can get this. Okay, this is the example for this is question. I would like to some exercise. This is regarding the first part. And also we continue also the another exercise to define. Please also collect the exercise in the LMS. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone.